Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can purge your QuickBooks Online company file. Now, first of all, this only works if you've had your company file for less than 60 days. If you've had your file for longer than 60 days, you just need to cancel it and start over with a new file. Here are the instructions from the Intuit website. If I scroll down, I have two options. If your books are more than 60 days old, again, cancel your company file. If your books are less than 60 days old, you can log into your QuickBooks and then open this link. The link, I'm just going to highlight it below. This is all we need to go to. So I have this company file that I've been using for a course. I'm all done with what I was doing, and so I don't need this data any longer. This is the perfect example of a situation where I could use purge. Let me go ahead and just paste this into my URL. I had to re-log in, probably because it timed out and I just didn't realize it. You know how it goes when you're kind of working and you forget. This is the message that I see. Are you sure you want to wipe out your data? So I have all this information and I'm like, yep, that's fine. You have 60 days to wipe the data once the company is created, and I have 16 days left to do it. I'm going to do it. So in the lower right-hand corner, I'm going to type yes. I'll select OK. QuickBooks is asking me what kind of company or what kind of framework it should set up when it sets up a new blank file for me. By default, it's suggesting manufacturing. I don't think that's really my jam. Let's do property managers. That's the next thing on my list to work on anyhow. Create accounts based on the industry. Create an empty chart of accounts. I'm going to create accounts based on industry and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and select wipe data. So it ended up taking either multiple clicks or I got impatient and I clicked it multiple times. I don't know which. But my screen refreshed and this is what I see. There was never a message that said, congratulations, or it's done, or you got this. So let me just show you that this is empty. I will go to reports and I will go to the general ledger and we'll look at this for all dates. There's nothing in here, which is great. Let's go to reports and we'll go to the audit log and just see if it shows the old stuff and then shows it getting deleted. So it does show, oh, you know what? All it's showing is, it says me, but really it's the magic internal system. It just shows the accounts being added, but none of the historical data is there. It did exactly what I expected, and it did it faster than I expected. The takeaway here is that if you set up your QuickBooks Online file, things go horribly wrong. It's within 60 days. You can just purge your company file and restart. When you restart, literally everything has gone. Your chart of accounts, your data, your records, all of it, gone. If you're in a situation where you need to get rid of some of your data, but not all your data, I recommend you take a look at SaasAnt. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. If there's anything that my team or I can help you with, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.